Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi weeks, ready for the week of March 6th through 12th. And I will be using another sticker sheet from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. It was her luxury advent calendar that she released back, I believe, in October or November. And this is the March sheet, which has some beautiful greens and blues and browns. I cannot wait to use this. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is actually write the days of the week on this side, and this is with my Narwhal Nautilus in the primary manipulation. It's such a pretty pen, as well as, love this, and then using my Pelikan 140, and this one has Ferris Wheel Press Moss Green Park, or Moss Park Green. Can't remember which one it is. I really should look that up. And then drawing the line down here. I like that the Hobonichi actually has dots so that you can know where to separate or put the lines. So I'll be using these two different pens throughout the week. So this, I love that JoJo always has this like big piece, this big sticker. This, now, I hate covering this, but I don't use this portion. So here it says, rugby reveals your character. The stronger your desire is not just for yourself, but for that guy or for the team. The better your performance will be, the more motivated you will be to dig in and give that one late push when it's needed. I feel like that's not just in rugby, that's in work and life too. So putting that down. Yes, because these next 2 weeks at work are all about reviews and it is review time, so there. Yeah, so anyway, and there's just a few things that have been happening at work that I haven't been reacting to the best, or I haven't had, just hasn't been as great. Sticker shop going well, but sometimes the stress from my regular day-to-day job can affect how I'm doing in the sticker shop. All right, so I'm putting these stickers down. I feel like I don't want to put them both down there though, like they don't match. So I want to put that one down so that these two are up top here together. But I almost want to put washi to bring in more of that color. And I just realized my nails match. Oh my gosh, my nails match. Okay, and I do have to say that that wasn't planned at all. Oh, I like that. And then I'm gonna place, probably not this big one. I will save this for the spread in my cousin. Is that where it goes? Okay. I'm always afraid of putting a sticker back down, so I'll put it there, and I'll use the smaller one down here. Although saying that, I kind of want to save these all for my other spread. Share the wealth, Karina. All right. Put a little piece of washi down here without covering the quote or the date. Perfect. Still leaves plenty of room to write in my meetings, which I'm going to go ahead and do now. So there's my overall finished spread. I really like the mix of the blues and the greens with the beige and the tan here. I really like that. And I feel like the inks match perfectly, as well as my nails, which was totally not planned. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.